How you doing, guys? Hope you're well. I've got a fantastic midweek meal for you. A beauty, it really is. I've had this before and it's easy to do. Anybody can do this. Great for the whole family. Kielbasa, also great with chicken. In fact, it's great with any meat, with a creamy mustard sauce and some pasta. It's a pasta dish. It's an easy pasta dish for the whole family. So I'm gonna crack on and let's do it. It's a pasta dish, so unbelievable. And because it's a pasta dish, always get a pot of boiling water on first, always. And my choice of knife today is a nice, beautiful Wusthof. Right, so first what we need to do is get the kielbasa on. And I've got some good quality ones here. If you get the cheapy ones, they tend to be over salty and not very pleasant. So try and get some good quality Polish sausage, but if you can't, that's fine, there's no problem at all. But what we need to do first, we're going to cook this off. We're going to get it nice and toasty and flavorful. So we need to slice it. And as soon as you slice into it, you can smell that smokiness. What I like to do when I'm cooking Italian sausages, smoked sausage, anything like that, kielbasas, I like to just cook them on the edge, just on the edge, not burnt, but on the edge. Nice dark caramelization to get maximum flavor. So add some olive oil to the pan and put your sausages in and then just cook them on the edge. Low heat, I mean, medium heat, not high, because you'll burn them, but just watch them like a hawk. And that's how you get maximum flavor out of these sausages. No point in putting them in a pan for 2 minutes. You're not gonna get that flavor. You need to just cook them on the edge, but don't burn them. Right, they're in a bowl and they're smelling fantastic. So just put them to one side now. We're gonna concentrate on the sauce. So for the sauce, dice your onion. We're going to be using the same pan and also that sausage fat as well. So onion straight in, medium to low heat. You see all the dark brown bits at the bottom of the pan? That is flavor. So when I add that stock, it'll lift, go into the stock and add more flavor to the sauce. So when your onions are soft, add your mustard. I'm using a spicy brown mustard, which is optional, and some Dijon. And you want to cook that mustard out for a couple of minutes, just to take off the edge. Next, some chicken broth straight in. And now grab a whisk, and then you just want to lift all that fond off into the stock. Right now my stock's in and this is the base of our sauce. This is the foundation. This is where it all happens. And I want to reduce that sauce. Why do we reduce it? Is because we want flavor. The more you reduce it, the more flavorsome it gets. But don't over reduce it. If you over reduce it, it's not going to be good. So we want to reduce that by half. Reduce it by half and then just add a little bit of sugar, give it a good stir, and then we're going to add some cream and other bits and bobs. Next, add your cream. Right, my cream's in, and you've got to be careful with creamy sauces. A lot of novice cooks tend to think if you add more cream, it's going to taste amazing. It's not, it's just going to taste the cream. So you've got to balance the cream out in the sauce. And what we're going to do, I'm using heavy cream. Heavy cream doesn't split, so you can whack that heat up. Don't be afraid, get it to a nice boil and reduce it, and it won't split. Single cream does. Don't use single cream for this, because single cream splits, and you don't want that. So we're going to reduce it until it's nice and thick, and it's going to coat the back of the spoon. As we say in the trade, nappe, and it's going to be like a cafe au lait sort of colour, beautiful brown colour, and it's going to be nice and thick and beautiful. Look at this, when I add the sausage to the sauce, I'll grab my phone. Get that in. Oh, look at that. That is smelling beautiful. I could eat that now with some crusty bread. Look at that, absolutely beautiful. So at the end, add some pasta to salted boiling water. Good salted boiling water. When it's cooked, add to the sauce. Give it a good stir. If it's a little too thick, add a little bit of pasta water. That'll loosen it. Don't go crazy about that. And then give it a good mix, and then finish off with some tarragon. Tarragon really works well with this dish, and some parsley really work well together. Mix it up. Finish off with a little bit of Parmesan, and serve up. And that's a great midweek meal. I can't find a spoon, so I'm just gonna use this. I could have a bit of that sausage pasta. Do you like that?